First, you click on this icon and then you can choose your master material with selection. And if you want to change your master material, you can click on the master material and then click on this icon. However, if your material doesn't have a texture parameters like this one, it won't let you change it like this. So let's change back to this one, and then we choose our textures like this. It will automatically update. And if you want to choose much more, you can choose in your custom order, or like this, or like this. Okay. And then if you don't want to use metallic, you can uncheck it. And then if you only use one texture, and then you can click fusion, you have a one texture material instance. And let's change it back to this master, and then we have 5 textures, and we can now select 5 textures, and with the fusion button we have it all set here. And if you want to change it, your order, you can do this. Let's change the diffusion to the first, and then we disable the emissive and normal, and we have this new material instance with 1 texture. And you can also change the view mode to this play or the queue, and you can also change the name, but you need to choose your texture first and then change the name, custom name, and then click the fusion. You have your custom name material instance here with 2 textures, right? And also you can close this, and next time you open it, it will remember your last settings like this. And yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching.